Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share my latest experience with you all, and it's all part of my ongoing journey to better health through natural cleanses. Now recently I finished a 7-day new moon parasite cleanse, which was my way of harnessing the lunar cycle for an extra boost in detoxification. Watch my previous videos to learn more about the herbs I used, the foods, and how they were highly effective for me. However, this time during my 7-day new moon parasite cleanse, I encountered something unexpected, a horrible tooth pain. Now during the cleanse, I started feeling some discomfort in one of my teeth. And it got worse, and after a couple of days I wasn't sure if it was connected to the detox due to toxins being released or if it was something else. So I went to my dentist and he checked it out and confirmed a slight infection, and he prescribed some antibiotics to prevent it from getting worse. However, it's actually not uncommon to experience issues like toothaches, headaches, or even joint pain during a detox. So when you're cleansing, your body releases stored toxins which can stir up inflammation or even expose any weak spots. Now, in my case, the cleanse may have triggered or highlighted this underlying issue with my tooth. Now, I want to talk about antibiotics briefly, as taking them can impact on our gut health. But don't get me wrong, it's essential to take antibiotics to clear an infection and eliminate harmful bacteria. And in my case, the bacteria was causing my tooth infection. But also, it kills off beneficial bacteria when you take antibiotics. And that's not good for our gut. But they also help to obviously get rid of the bad bacteria, the infection that's affecting us, which is essential. However, whilst they do kill off the beneficial bacteria in the gut, it's essential for a balanced microbiome overall for our well-being. So we want to nurture that microbiome and repopulate the gut. And this is why antibiotics can sometimes leave us with symptoms like digestive upset or low energy, because it wipes out the microgut biome. But after finishing the antibiotics, I know I have to support my gut and repopulate my microbiome to restore balance. So here's what I'm doing to help. I'm including herbs known to support gut health. And these herbs are marshmallow root and sea moss. And this is the wild-crafted Gracilaria sea moss that I've got right here. Now, if you don't already know, sea moss has a number of minerals, and it meets 92 of the 102 mineral body composition that we have. So these herbs are so good in terms of soothing, and they help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Now, I'm drinking marshmallow root tea and adding sea moss to my smoothies, like this one that I made earlier, which I've added cacao, sea moss and black cherry to. And you only need about a teaspoon of sea moss to get all the amazing benefits. So I'm bringing in more fermented foods as well into my diet, like sauerkraut and coconut yogurt. And these are loaded with probiotics. And they're also gentle on healing the gut with the marshmallow root and sea moss. and it helps to rebuild the good bacteria, and that gives it a natural boost after taking antibiotics. Now, to feed the good bacteria, I'm also focusing on prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, and asparagus. Now, these act as food for probiotics, and these help thrive and multiply the microbiome for your gut. So you want to repopulate the good bacteria. And I'm sticking to a plant-based diet that's rich in fiber and antioxidants to nourish my gut. So think leafy greens, berries, and healthy fats from things like avocado. And fiber especially helps to keep things moving, and it flushes out any lingering toxins. Now, I want to remind you all that healing and cleansing is a journey. It's rarely perfect or straightforward, and sometimes unexpected things do come up, like my tooth infection, but we adapt and we keep moving forward. So I'm so grateful for this experience because it's given me another layer of awareness on my health journey. And if you've ever faced similar challenges, feel free to share it in the comments, and let's keep supporting each other and learning together. Now, if you're looking to do a cleanse or build up your gut health, now you can find some of these herbs I've mentioned, like marshmallow root and sea moss, on my website at naturalworkshops.com. And if you're interested in connecting further, why not join my Natural Health Seekers group on Telegram? The link is in the description below. And I thank you so much for watching. And it's great having you today as I share my detox journey. And if you're interested in trying any of these herbs, I have a range of organic and wildcrafted options available at naturalworkshops.com. And for those who are interested in learning more about natural health and wellness and detox, join our community on Telegram, and I'll drop the link in the description, both of the links in the description below for you. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on natural solutions for your well-being. So stay healthy, be happy, and always be wise. Thank you for watching.